Cook that shit up, Quay. I've been riding around the time. I've been riding around in the car tryna lay low. I'm a real soldier, boy. I really play with Draco. Got the whole game about the hood and put him on the payroll. Got the flag blasting in the red with the K-Roll. Just had a baby from me, so I paid to get a makeover. I was being comments like they bid for me to take over. 180 on the Range Rover, 400 on the road show, 300 on the G-Way. I'm a big dog, you can add it up. Something wrong with him, he added up. We laugh at them, they mad at us. It's a home run, I'm better up. My earrings like baseball. Context, I hate y'all. I don't see people like Ray Charles. Where I'm from, one, two, from. You kingpin or take up. I just brought a bus down, wait to hold it up. All these perks gon' stay down, I keep on throwing up. Youngin' ain't gon' play with them, I'ma get it out below. I feel like it's different when you got it out the mud. I just brought.
What's up, YouTube? It's YFN Bird in this bit. Back with a no. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of some shoes that I'm getting. I know them hoes hot as hell. I'm about to unbox them in a minute. Y'all tell me, y'all let me know what y'all want to see me do, who y'all want to see me print, what y'all want to see me do with everything. Just comment, go crazy in the comment section. Let me know what's up. I gotta get them, hold on. Shout out to Nike.com. Shout out to Nike.com for bringing these hard shoes to my crib. I need some open box.
These hoes wanna see how I'm living. Heard I done got rich, now them hoes on my dick tryna eat up and kiss on my children. If you not in your bag, nigga, get off your dick. If you not on your shit, then you trippin'.
Alright. Y'all see him? Y'all see him? Okay. Y'all take a guess. What's in this box? Put in the comment section what you think in this box right here. Y'all let me know. But anyway, you know I had to pop out with these. You know I had to pop out with these. I really like these too. I'm gonna be rocking these a lot. Y'all gonna see me wear these a lot.
Yeah, you like
What? Come in. What?
you recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Y'all should see the feeling.
What? I'm messing up the vibes.
Come on.
Oh, you doing your video?
Yeah.
I already messed it up.
Scream coach. What'd you say?
Y'all ain't know I can say good.
I shoot my shot and don't miss shit. I treat this hoe like a classroom. We just fuck her and dismiss. She wanna fuck cause I'm up, but she can't get nothing but this dick. See, my niggas really do drills and be in the field. Pick six, go low. Be honest, you not tryna ride. My young nigga slide, Saint Nick. Treat a fuck nigga like art. Let's make a collage and paint shit. I hit the show with my hammer. I'm going bananas, ape shit. I want him to try to come take shit. I'ma make sure his motherfucking face split. He go. Came out the mud and bossed up. I ran it up. Now bitches be feeling the young and I'm fresh when I walk up. And I'm feeling the hood.
I be getting a lot of interruptions. Hey, that's my family. I love my family too. But look at this. I like how they got the red on the back and the red for the Jordan. You feel me? That's so hard to me. How y'all think they'll look with red shoe screens? How y'all think they'll look with red shoe screens? I think them bitches would be fire with some red shoe screens. If y'all knew, they not It's not no regular. It's not no regular feeling shoe. It feel way different, totally different than a shoe, than a regular shoe. Like, I only got my other 14 no more. I sold them. I ain't selling, but I give them to one of my homeboys. But they don't feel like these at all. These hard. These hard. They hard. When I get my stuff, I'm gonna put on the outfit and I'm gonna show y'all that shit. But y'all gonna fuck with it. I know y'all gonna fuck with it. I be fresh. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm a fly ass boy. I'm a fresh ass boy, man. Hey, I don't call me YFN for nothing. Young fresh, young fly, young finesse. Hey, I'm a young finesse though. That's what it means, young finesse. You know. These bitches fire. You know, I really don't tie my shoes up that much. I don't really tie my shoes up that much. But sometimes I really hang. I'm about to see how they go. Let's go. I know what I'm gonna do. I do this to my shoes. You'll see. Look how I lace my shoes up. Most of my shoes lace like this. I just thought it would look right with the 14, so I try something different. But this is how most of my shoes look. Do they look hard on my feet or what? Do they look long on my feet? Because I feel like they look a little long, but they not. They don't feel long. I will put the other one on. I'm gonna put the other one on for y'all. I'm done. I'll tell you why. Because the shoe already laced up like that. I had to do shit. Yes, sir. I flex with them the hard way. Y'all tell me how y'all like it. Like, comment, subscribe. I need more subscribers. I really need more subscribers. I only got 100 subscribers, but road to 200. Forget it. Gang. I'm about to put them in the box though. If y'all think they fire, leave the fire emoji in the comment section. Leave fire emojis in the comment section. I'm just gonna tell y'all to leave fire emojis in the comment section because these joints are fire. I'm so fresh and so clean. They're too fire. Let me get mine. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry, I'm gonna keep saying it. I gotta get used to saying it a lot. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. And let me know what shoes y'all think look hard on me, cause I get them. I love shoes. Shoes are really life for me, bro. Y'all don't understand like how many pair of shoes I got. One day, that's what I'm gonna do. One day, I'm just gonna show y'all all my shoes. I'm gonna have some ugly ass shoes. I'm gonna have some ugly ass shoes, cause a nigga just he was just buying shoes to buy shoes, cause he had the money. You feel me? So hey, I got some ugly shoes. Like, some of these shoes I regret getting. I don't know why I got it. But these, no regrets. No regrets. Thank y'all. Have a nice day. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment. Definitely comment, because I need things to do. I need more things to do. Oh yeah. 2K. Fuck with me in the 2K, bro. I'm trash right now, but I'm getting better, you feel me? I just made my dude like yesterday. It's Friday today. I made my dude like Tuesday or Wednesday. And I'm a 77. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what else y'all wanna see.
I know they just want to me struggling, but I'ma still make sure they okay. Before I let one of these niggas hold me, I'd rather go back to my old way. Ain't tryna go back.